Hey everyone! Is your car struggling with rough shifts, incorrect speed readings, or even slipping gears? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0794, intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit intermittent, your transmission might be receiving unstable speed signals causing erratic shifting and performance issues. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0794 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0794? The P0794 trouble code appears when the transmission control module, TCM, detects an intermittent or unstable signal from the intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS. This sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring transmission speed, ensuring smooth gear shifts and proper performance. Symptoms of P0794 include harsh or delayed gear shifts, speedometer reading, incorrect or jumping, transmission slipping or stuck in limp mode, check engine light and transmission, warning light on, reduced fuel efficiency, and poor acceleration. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0794. Intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS. Location: mounted on the transmission case near the intermediate shaft. Function: measures the speed of the intermediate shaft and sends data to the TCM, Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location: usually found on or near the transmission housing, firewall, or under the dashboard. Function: uses data from the ISS sensor to control gear shifting. Input and output speed sensors, ISS-OSS. Location: both sensors are mounted on the transmission case, near the input and output shafts. Function: works with the intermediate shaft sensor to ensure accurate speed readings. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the ISS sensor, TCM, and other speed sensors. Function: transfers speed data. Damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt signals and cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0794: faulty intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS, loose or corroded wiring and connectors, malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, dirty or low transmission fluid, faulty input or output speed sensors, internal transmission issues. How to fix P0794? Step 1. Check the intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS. Test it with a multimeter for signal output. Step 2. Inspect the transmission control module, TCM. Scan for additional error codes and reset if needed. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires in the ISS circuit. Step 4. Check transmission fluid condition. Ensure it's clean and at the proper level. Step 5. Test input and output speed sensors. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue is resolved. A P0794 intermediate shaft speed sensor issue can lead to serious transmission problems if ignored. Checking the ISS sensor, wiring, TCM, and fluid condition is key to fixing this error. Watch these related videos next. P0454, EVAP pressure sensor intermittent, P0455, EVAP large leak detected. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.